Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. I'm happy that you did stop by. If you're new, I'm happy to have you, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you very much for coming back. In today's simple everyday eyeshadow look, I'm going to create a black and gold eye look for the holiday season. Stay with me, let's see how everything turns out. My eyebrows are done. I do that off camera because I need a big magnifying mirror to do that because I don't have contact lenses. So, and my messy hair is okay. I like it messy. It's only lately it's been showing up a little better on YouTube, but most of the time I like messy hair. So, I think my little handheld mirror works very well for me. I'll put it far, and I am just working under the brow bone. Golden black eyeshadow look on hooded eyes today. This one, I love this pigment. This is gorgeous. Today I already wake up and exercise. Now I'm ready to get this eye look done. I'm taking black eyeshadow and put over the black liner. I have hooded eyes. One is more hooded than the other. This one is more hooded than this one. You see my hooded eye right here? You see this black? This is from the liner. So I have to always, when I put liner, I always have to make sure that I put something over it so it doesn't end up on my hooded eyes. See? I open my eyes, the black sticks right here to a little bit of hood that I have. Okay, we're doing gold. Gold, gold, gold. So for the gold, I'm going into the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity Mega Mothership eyeshadow palette. And I have, now I have black all here because my hooded eyes, I have to blend it. Hopefully the gold will cover it. So I'm going for gold today, just like this. Don't worry about the eyeliner. The gold is going to take over. I'll fix that with a brush later on. I'm just laying down my colors, my foundation. I'm building a house here. Please be different and be unique with your eyeshadow look. Do stuff you love. Also do stuff that other people will like and love, but also make sure you're pleasing yourself. Because if you're not happy, you won't be able to make other people happy. If you're happy, your joy will come through. Let's have fun. Let us have fun. Feels so good to exercise early today. It really does feel fantastic. I got it out of the way first thing this morning. And it feels beautiful. Back to the gold and the brush, and I wet the brush. take a little bit of setting spray and I brush. I took a little bit of setting spray and I wet the brush. I don't want fallout. It's wet. Let me do that way first. Hooded eyes, don't be afraid to create looks. Make some nice looks, pretty looks, looks that are fun to you, looks you enjoy. And call it a day, honey, call it a day. Nothing is permanent under the sun. So create something, wash it off later. You know what I mean? It will all work out. I'm blending the black into the gold. Right. Center today. The holiday season is here. It came fast. This year went flying by, so we just enjoy it for what it's worth. At least we're alive. Some people lost a lot of family members, so let us say a prayer for them and be thankful for us being still alive. So this is the first one, second one on the way. Always gotta check. One eye has more lid space than the other. So I'm always checking to make sure, because one eye is going to look different than the other. Because one eye is bigger than the other. Turn this way so you can see. Second eye. The blush brush I am using is the ColourPop F2. I like this brush, but they don't dry fast when you wash them. One of these days I'll wear false lashes. I just have such a hard time putting them on.
You want to keep it all black and gold. Smudge, smudge, smudge.
This look is on hooded eyes. I'll show you how my eyes are very hooded and also different. This eye right here, I'm coming closer. It's open. My eyes are now open, and this is my hooded eye right here. When I open, you can see how the black from my liner is resting right here. If you look closely, you'll see it. My brow bones look higher than each other because this eye is more hooded than this one. So over here I have more space here. Over here I have less space because this is more hooded. So my eyeshadow might look one has more than the other, but it's because one eye is more hooded, so it takes more space, so I have less space here. This eye is less hooded, so I have more space here. So that's why sometimes my eyeshadow look like I have more on one side and less on one side. But I have to work with hooded eyes, so I try to make it as close as possible without going too far looking like one doesn't have enough. And that's that. Tips for your hooded eyes. That's it. Today's simple everyday eyeshadow look is black and gold. This year has been long, rough, tough, miserable, crazy for a lot of people. And the holiday is here, and it is a good thing for us to at least have a little bit of cheer in our life, some cheers in our life. So I am starting off my holiday season with my Santa's hat with black and gold. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe. Always remember, self first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.